Here are your available color options for the Honda Accord from model year 2024. For free, you get Crystal Black Pearl, pretty standard, or this Solar Silver Metallic. So unlike other manufacturers, instead of a free white, you're getting a free silver. That's not bad. The $455 options fill out the rest of the color lineup, like the white, platinum white pearl, like the radiant red metallic, a still night pearl. That's almost really kind of like purplish, like sometimes they call that hydro blue, or the urban gray pearl. So that's getting more into a charcoal type hue. What do you think of these? Which one would you pick for free? I would just take the black, but it's not about me, it's about you and paying $32,000 for a Honda. Remember when that was a lot cheaper? Anyways, put it in the comments what you would pick.